Jamaica. Yo. So almost everyone is promoting six. What is this? It's a sign of affiliation or belonging. To who or what? Well, on the day of major judgment, at death is minor judgment, with peace or punishment. And at resurrection, it's going to be major judgment. And from every 1,000 human being, 999 are going to hellfire. Now, the 666 phenomenon that has been sweeping the earth since we replaced the last of our ancestors and jump into a zone of being civilized and technologically advanced. This is even our forefather Adam, calling him a caveman. It's funny if you look on it, because me I gotta ask you, did Adam fall from his place in paradise? On earth, in a suit and tie like the intelligent monkeys who are leading us nowhere except well. All it takes is an expensive suit and you are suddenly immaculate and above everybody. All it takes is to be able to rob the brainless sleeping people who don't think much and fat up your bank accounts and you earn the title of being a doctor. You take care and even cure yourself. Who are these people we follow? The celebrities, the businessmen, the politicians, influencers, religious leaders. These are the puppets of Gog and Magog. Yajuj and Majuj, carbon copies. And don't forget, religion is a tool of control that was created to hide the true way of the Creator inside. And inside it, it's a needle in a haystack, which is Islam. The only part that has no idols or images or exaggerated middlemen by way of getting to the Creator. Before, there were no middlemen, only prophets who come for one. And still there is no middlemen. So what are we all doing? What are we living? Well, if hell. And to worship Iblis, who you call Lucifer, a jinn, from the jinn tribe who have freedom of choice before we, and who will deny any association with us on that day. 6 is the number of man who will be the Antichrist. And we see celebrities and the world leaders promoting this frequently, one way or another. Why? Because it's a symbolism of the side you choose. Knowingly or in a don't care fashion, unknowingly. You see everybody throw up this 666 sign where them says okay sign. 666 is the mark of the Antichrist, correctly referred to as the Dajjal or the false Messiah. Now, from humanity, out of every 1,000 people, 999 will be for hellfire and 1 for paradise. So you sell yourself for this system and society and lost yourself in the process. And your purpose lost and you think this was all a joke. You currently think it's a joke. Now the true reality is that only Allah is supreme and can never pass away. From him everything in existence, seen and unseen, came about. He created all this. But you forget that. The people of Gog and Magog, the Illuminati, the 13 bloodlines who took humanity over and are deeply engaged in the worship of the jinns and the Antichrist. You think I'm lying? Why so much gays exist? Why so much lesbian exist? Why so much transgenders exist? And the businessmen them come out as gay and are promoting gay agenda to illegal pitney them. Why two women are raised pitney? Why are idols and image are other human beings being worshipped? Why are there so much religion and only one creator? Is he confused? You would like to think so, though. And if music was given by the creator, why must one, when them reach a certain level, them have to sell out or them lose everything when them were out? These people are pulling you all along with them like quicksand in the hellfire. Are you a part of the 999? From every 1,000 destined for hellfire, never alive nor dead. Allah promise never fail. We were nothing at one point and now we are a creation like the jinns before us who had freedom of choice and who control the Illuminati and grateful. It are coming up people. No go and wait for it.